Hi friends, today we're going to be exploring thermal energy through the use of solar ovens. So what you're going to need for this investigation, the science investigation and experiment is going to be scissors, a box. It could be any box. I got a box at the Dollar Tree with a lid on it. You can have one that folds out, or you can have one that's completely closed. You will need to be making a flap, so you're going to have something to cut with it. Also, we need aluminum foil. I have plastic wrap. You can use saran wrap as well. Some tape. And items for s'mores or something to cook. So we're going to be making some s'mores today. So I'm going to have two boxes. I'm going to have one that I'm going to be putting in the sun, in the direct sunlight, and one that I'm going to be putting in the shade. But I'm going to show you with one and then tell you what we're going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my aluminum foil in, wrap my entire box in aluminum foil. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will come right back. You're going to wrap it all and use a tape to tape it down. All right, so now we're going to slide it in. Now the heat is going to heat up the foil, and if the foil is touching, it's just going to heat up the whole area. And this is going to bring the heat in. So we want to do this here. Okay. And that's going to heat it all up. We can adjust it according to the sun. So like I said, if you have a lid, you're going to want to cut the lid out. This just made it much easier. All right, the next thing that we have to do is we have to get this s'more made. So I'm making rainbow s'mores, so I have rainbow marshmallows. And we're going to put that in there, break that in half. We're going to stick that in foil as well. And stick it inside here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I am just going to put a little bit of plastic wrap around the top so no bugs or ants or anything can get into it. So this is optional, but I think that this is going to help with bugs. So I'm going to do that now. So this is my solar oven with my stuff inside. I'm going to have two of these, so I need to make a second one. Now my experiment is going to be, I'm going to put everything the same. I have to have the same box. I have to have the same foil. I have to fold it, make it the same shape. I have to set it up the same way. I have to use, if I'm going to use saran wrap, I have to use saran wrap in the other one. Everything has to be the same. Make the s'more the same. And set it up identical. The only thing that's going to be different is when we put one in the sunlight, direct sunlight, and we're going to put one in the shade, and we're going to see how the amount of thermal energy helps with cooking. So that is our experiment today.